Hello and welcome to another update video about MATIC. Yeah, on the MATIC chart, we continue to be in this ascending price channel. Price reached our trend reversal area here in June, and of this low, so far, we can only count 3 waves. That's not bullish yet, because even though price has moved up considerably off this low to really establish and confirm that MATIC has formed a substantial base here and a new foundation for potentially new bull market or new all-time highs, yeah, generally new highs, we need a 5-wave move up first. That's how it starts. A 5-wave move on a reasonable time frame. At the moment, I only have a 1, a 2, a 3, potentially a 4, but we don't know if it is a 4 at this stage because we haven't got the 5. You only really know if this is a wave 4 after the next rally has taken place, because then we have 5 waves. At the moment, this could just break down, right? So we need 5 waves for the next high probability setup. After 5 waves, we have a first confirmation that the trend has shifted from a local downtrend into an uptrend. And after these 5 waves are set, we can define a support area for this wave 2. Looking forward to an ABC structure. When we get 5 waves, it increases the probability that a 3-wave pullback will hold a higher low. And it needs to hold a higher low above the 10th of June low, and ideally at the 78.6 retracement, which I cannot measure yet because I don't have at this stage the high of the wave 1, right? The idea is that there is a chance at least, and it's fairly likely, but there is also the alternative, which is also likely, unfortunately, because it is an ambiguous count at the moment. It's an ambiguous structure. It leaves a lot of room for interpretation. That's why it takes at the moment a long time to explain these altcoin charts. Because some people just think it's so easy to say, okay, price will go up or down. It's not. Not in the current market. We don't have a clear impulse. And Elliott wave helps us to understand that. And if we don't have an impulse, we need to be flexible. Expect wave counts to change. Maybe don't trade at all. Trade with smaller positions. Wait for better setups or whatever. The altcoin market doesn't look good at the moment. Even MATIC with a good long-term chart, the short-term price action doesn't look good. So it, of course, can recover from here. That's why we're tracking a bullish scenario. But it's not one scenario I like to see. I would like to see an impulse. There is no impulse. So that's a problem. So what I need to see 5 waves up. That would give us the next high probability long trade setup. I do have a support area here, out of which price can move up. But so far, price action isn't very convincing. And also, it would just be part of this 5th wave in an ABC structure, which is less reliable anyway. But what I need to see a price break above 95 cents. 95 cents, that would give us confidence. I mean, already above 89.5, we have 5 waves. Yeah, so above the 3rd wave high, above that level, we will have 5 waves. Then I can start to track wave 2 support. We can say, okay, as long as this level then holds, we can focus on higher. And the closer we get to wave 2 support, the better the reward to risk ratio for a potential long trade. 95 cents is a key breakout point and resistance. The problem is, until I have 5 waves, the likelihood of a breakdown is very high. So yeah, and that's why this support area is an orange, because it's not really a high probability setup. So I wouldn't be surprised if it breaks. So that means it could also go down in a 5th wave, something like that. Yeah, after a 3-wave top, that is actually fairly likely. So we have topped in 3 waves so far. Okay, maybe we get one more high, and if we can hold the orange support area, as long as it's holding 68 cents, there is a good chance for one more high. Yeah, okay, and then we take a look from there. Until then, well, if it breaks below 68 cents, then I think the white wave count here and the red pathway to lower prices is very likely. Now, that would not necessarily mean new bear market lows, okay? It could just be another low, a higher low, obviously above the bear market low. And as long as we're holding the green support area, which would then become relevant again, I think there is still a chance to rally afterwards in a 3rd wave. If it can't do it now, then it has another chance, another bullish fallback scenario is there. But yeah, I think at the moment we're just following the trend line. Keep an eye on that trend line. When that breaks, it might be a first warning that we might make a new low, yeah, below the 10th of June low, but not necessarily a new bear market low. Would then find support at 48 cents and maybe 41. Okay, that's my update about MATIC. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.